A very good morning. Uh, Absolutely kick-ass. A midweek, 11:52 by the watch. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. So we do consultancy. We design, manufacture, and supply home and office decor and interior solutions and corporate gifting products. The range is huge, and uh, which means that there are a lot of documents and there's lots of there are a lot of gadgets or project reports or catalogs or stuff like that, which someone like me, who's in a designer or architecture or let's say a communication or a global someone who's in a global role has to do. So what happens then, so this is a share which is not about the regular stuff. This is actually about some practical concerns and stuff which I'm sure a lot of girls and women face or are a part and parcel of. So this is not about design and interior accessories. This is about your bags. So when you're in the world of design and stuff, you're designing stuff and all that. So you start thinking in a certain manner. And of course, when you're a little fashion, little or a lot fashion savvy and stuff, and you kind of explore the market and stuff, you want to kind of improvise or change your fashion or your design quotient and accessories and stuff like that. Okay, so we design bags. We also have a lot of interesting stuff which is for women, like magazine holders. Then you have document folders and stuff. We've got tissue cover holders. We've got corporate gifting items and stuff, and their wallets and their purses and stuff like that also, which are designed on request and order. So I'm inspired to share from that, which is actually on carrying it all in a practical fashion. So this is about bag culture and stuff, and I'm inspired to share because I got reading, and it got me thinking actually, which is about bags, and the caption is foolishly huge or supremely practical. So over the years and stuff, I've kind of switched from small bags, expensive bags. Some of them have been given to me as gifts. Some of them I've bought over the years and stuff and all that. So when I open up my cupboard and stuff, some of them fall off at times. But that doesn't stop me from kind of not buying new ones. But the regular habit which I recommend, I normally follow and I advise people is that if you've not used something for a very long time and you do not see yourself doing that, kindly give it away and stuff. So what happens because of that, so if you give away your old bags and